What can I get for you?
What's your name? Nice to meet you. My name's Warren.
Callie!
Shit, what?
She said what?
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. I'm not good stuff. No, I'm not good stuff.
Say no.
She's a precious angel.
You're adopted.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you
Can you hold on? He's not overeating. I know that. Look at